Emma, I went to the store yesterday and the cashier said something I didn't understand. She said that'll be 15 bucks. I thought she was selling deer.
Jake, bucks means dollars in casual English. It's everyday vocabulary.
See? This is why I need help with daily words.
Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Welcome to the Talk Smart podcast.
Today we're teaching you 100 everyday English words that native speakers use constantly.
In just 15 minutes.
If you want to sound more confident and natural in English, hit that subscribe button. We post fun lessons every week to help you talk smart.
Let's learn 100 words fast.
Let's start with basics, greetings and small talk.
Like hello and goodbye?
Exactly. But natives rarely say just hello. They say, hey, hi, what's up? How's it going? Morning, afternoon, evening.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Perfect. For goodbye, bye, see you, take care, later, catch you later, have a good one, talk soon.
That's already like 15 words.
We're on a roll. Now reactions. Cool. Awesome. Nice. Great. Amazing. Wow. Really? Seriously? No way.
No way! That's awesome!
See? You're using them naturally. Add thanks, thank you, please, sorry, excuse me, pardon.
Basic but essential.
That's 30 words already. Section 2, daily action words.
Like what I do every day?
Yes, morning routine. Wake up, get up, brush, shower, dress, eat, drink, make, cook, prepare.
I wake up, get up, brush my teeth, shower.
Perfect! Movement words. Go, come, walk, run, drive, ride, take, bring, carry, move.
I go to work, walk to the store, take the bus.
Excellent! Work, study words. Work, study, learn, read, write, type, send, receive, call, text.
I work all day, send emails, and text my friends.
You're using 20 more words naturally. That's 50 total.
Halfway there.
Now, feelings and states.
Like emotions?
Yes, positive feelings. Happy, glad, excited, thrilled, good, fine, okay, great, better, best.
I'm happy and excited, feeling great.
Love it. Negative feelings. Sad, tired, bored, angry, mad, upset, worried, stressed, sick, hurt.
I'm tired and stressed from work.
Real talk. Physical states. Hot, cold, warm, cool, hungry, thirsty, full, empty, clean, dirty.
I'm hot, hungry, and my room is dirty.
That's 30 more words. We're at 80.
Just 20 to go.
Time words are crucial.
Like clock time?
Not just that, general time. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, later, soon, always, never, sometimes, often.
I always study, sometimes exercise, never cook.
Honest. Now, place words. Here, there, everywhere, somewhere, nowhere, home, work, school, store, office.
I'm here at home, going there to the store later.
Perfect. That's 20 more. We hit 100.
Wait, that's it?
Actually, we're going to keep going with bonus words because you're doing so well. Bonus section, common describing words.
Even more vocabulary.
Size words. Big, small, large, little, huge, tiny, long, short, tall, wide.
My room is small, but my dreams are huge.
Love it. Quality words. Good, bad, nice, ugly, beautiful, pretty, handsome, cute, smart, stupid.
Wait, can I say stupid to people?
Not politely. Use silly or funny instead. Speed words. Fast, slow, quick, rapid, swift, easy, hard, difficult, simple, tough.
English is hard, but Emma makes it easy.
Aw, that's bonus vocabulary bringing us to 130 words. Now, the glue that holds sentences together.
Glue words?
Connecting words. Basic. And, but, or, so, because, if, when, while, before, after.
I study hard because I want to improve, so I practice daily.
Beautiful sentence. Addition words. Also, to, as well, besides, plus, more, again, still, yet, already.
I'm also hungry, plus I'm tired too.
Perfect usage. That's 20 more. You need these for asking anything.
I definitely need these.
Essential questions. What, when, where, who, why, how, which, whose, whom.
What time? When? Where? Who's coming? Why? How?
You're asking like a native. Add these. How much? How many? How long? How far? How often? What kind? What type?
How much does it cost? How long will it take?
Exactly. You're now at 160 words total. The most used action words.
Like do and make?
Yes, core verbs. Do, make, have, get, take, give, put, keep, let, help.
I do my homework, make dinner, have coffee.
Great! Thinking verbs. Think, know, believe, understand, remember, forget, mean, want, need, like.
I think I understand, but I forget sometimes.
So relatable. Communication verbs. Say, tell, speak, talk, ask, answer, explain, describe, discuss, mention.
Tell me what you mean. Explain it.
Perfect. That's 30 more. Things you see and use daily.
Finally, naming things.
People. Person. People. Man. Woman. Boy. Girl. Baby. kid, friend, family.
My friend and I, people everywhere.
Things, thing, stuff, item, object, place, time, way, part, piece, bit.
Wait, stuff is a real word?
Very real. Natives use it constantly. My stuff, that stuff, all that stuff.
I have so much stuff.
Exactly. That's 20 more words. Last category, talking about amounts.
Like counting?
Sort of. Basic. 1, 2, 3, many, few, some, all, most, several, couple.
I have a couple of friends, some money, many dreams.
Beautiful. More quantity, much, little, lot, enough, more, less, most, least, half, whole.
Too much work, not enough time.
That brings us to over 200 words total.
Wait, we went way over 100.
Because you're doing amazing. Quick, let's see what you remember.
Challenge accepted.
Casual greeting.
Hey, what's up?
Feeling tired in English?
I'm exhausted.
Time word for not often.
Rarely or seldom.
Question word for asking reasons.
Why?
Perfect! You retained so much. And that's how you learn 100 plus daily English words in just 15 minutes.
Actually, we learned way more than 100. We're overachievers.
You did amazing. These aren't random words. They're the ones you'll use every single day.
In greetings, talking about feelings, asking questions, describing things.
Exactly. So next time you speak English, try using these words, and you'll sound so natural.
Thanks for watching with us today.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Talk Smart podcast for more fun English lessons with Emma and Jake.
We're here every week making English easy and fun.
See you next time. Don't just learn English, talk smart.